Hi there, it's Chris Hamilton here from Sales Tip a Day, www.salestipaday.com. And today, what I'm going to talk about is something that you need to add to a proposal or a statement of work or any kind of pricing thing that you may give to one of your potential clients or your clients. And that one thing you need to add is an actual expiry date. And what do I mean by that? Imagine that you write a proposal up and you've got a 30-day expiry date. If one of your costs go up dramatically in that time frame, then one of the things that you got to do is anytime past that 30 days, if your client accepts it, what it gives you the ability to do is go back and say, look, the proposal itself has expired. I have to reprice this for you so that we can see how you can actually get this stuff that you may want or the offering that you want. So to make sure that things don't come back and bite you in the behind, if someone pulls a statement of work out a year or two down the road and your costs are way out of line, that could really impact you, and you may actually be bound to that. So just food for thought. Put an expiry date on your proposals or your statement of works or any kind of pricing that you may give or a quote that you may give to your clients, and that'll protect you. Anyways, for daily sales and marketing tips, go to www.salestipaday.com. Thanks for viewing.